Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard fake nails at home. First, gather your essential supplies. You will need super glue, which is a cyanoacrylate adhesive, along with some baking soda and cotton pads. Also, make sure you have a nail file, a buffer, and acetone nail polish remover. Finally, pick out your preferred base coat, colored polish, and a clear top coat for the finishing touch. Now, let's prepare your nails and apply the first layer. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your natural nails with acetone to remove any oils or residue. Gently buff the surface of each nail to create a slightly rough texture for better adhesion. Next, apply a thin, even layer of super glue to one nail. Immediately dip that wet nail into a small pile of baking soda, ensuring full coverage. It's time to build up the hardness and shape your new nails. After the first layer dries, repeat the process. Apply another thin layer of super glue and dip it into baking soda. Continue adding layers until you achieve your desired thickness and strength, typically 2 or 3 layers. Ensure each layer is completely dry before applying the next. Once hardened, use your nail file to shape and smooth the edges. For the final touches, let's add some color and protection. First, apply a good quality base coat over your newly hardened nails. This helps protect your natural nails and provides a smooth canvas. Next, paint your nails with your favorite color polish, applying 2 thin coats for opaque coverage. Finally, seal everything with a durable top coat to add shine and extend the life of your beautiful, hard fake nails.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.